Today, we're diving into something exciting, how AI can help you produce better videos across the three main formats that I use: scripted, blocked, and unscripted. Whether you're scripting every word or going fully unscripted, AI can be a powerful tool in your production process. So let's start out with the scripting process. Scripting can be time-consuming, and one of the hardest parts is getting started. This is where AI tools really shine. AI writing assistants like ChatGPT or other script writing tools can help generate rough drafts and even suggest phrases to get you past writer's block. You give it a few prompts and it can give you the structure of your script or suggest different tones depending on the project's goal. Not only that, but AI can also analyze data from your past videos to suggest keywords, phrases, or topics that are more likely to engage your audience. It can help you refine the language and ensure that your script is clear, concise, and optimized for your target audience. So while you still have full control over the narrative, AI can speed up the process and help you create a script that resonates. When it comes to block scenes, AI can help in a couple of cool ways. First, it can help you create bullet points by analyzing what's already working in your niche. For example, AI can scan through similar content and suggest key talking points, trends, or angles you might not have thought of. This is a great way to build your outline based on audience interest or trending topics. AI can also assist with editing. Say you've recorded several takes based on your blocked scenes. AI editing software can identify the best takes, cut them together, and even suggest transitions or pacing based on what works best for viewer engagement. It's like having an extra set of eyes on your project, helping you keep everything smooth and focused. Okay, finally, let's talk about unscripted stories, my favorite format, and the one I teach in my course. Now, you might wonder, how does AI help with something that's spontaneous and real? The truth is, AI can be a huge asset during and after filming. For starters, AI-powered transcription tools can automatically turn your unscripted footage into text, allowing you to quickly scan through interviews, select sound bites, and identify key moments in the story. AI tools can analyze the footage for emotional impact, flagging moments where facial expressions, tones of voice, or audience reactions are strongest, so you don't miss those authentic unscripted gems. Plus, AI can help with post-production by suggesting how to structure the story in a way that maximizes engagement. It can analyze the flow of your footage and suggest edits or highlight areas where the pacing might need to pick up to keep the audience's attention. Imagine having an AI assistant that helps you shape the story while still maintaining its raw, authentic feel. So whether you're scripting every word, using bullet points to guide your shoot, or letting the story unfold naturally with unscripted videos, AI is there to support your creativity with every step. It can streamline your workflow, offer new insights, and help you craft more engaging content. Want to learn more about how to take your unscripted videos to the next level? That's what my course is all about. And as part of the process, we dive into how you can integrate AI to make your production even more effective. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out the resources in the description for more AI tips. Thanks for watching.